Given f is continuous at x equal to minus 1, so limit x tends to minus 1 of f of x should be equal to f of minus 1. To find limit x tends to minus 1 of f of x, use the first part of the definition. Clearly, the limit is of 0 by 0 form, so we factorize x square minus 2x minus 3. For splitting the middle term, we require two numbers whose product is minus 3 and sum is minus 2. The numbers are minus 3 and plus 1. Write the expression as x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3. Take x common from the first two terms and 1 common from the last two terms. We get the factors x minus 3 and x plus 1. So the value of the limit reduces to limit x tends to minus 1 of x minus 3, which gives you the limit minus 4. The value of the function at minus 1, that is f of minus 1, is given to be k. Applying the condition for continuity at x equal to minus 1, we get k equal to minus 4.